Hey there tech enthusiasts! Today we're diving into the MSI MEG Z890 UNIFY-X motherboard, a powerhouse designed for overclocking and high-end gaming. If you're aiming to push your PC's performance to the next level, stick around to see what this board has to offer. Let's talk design. The UNIFY-X sports a sleek black aesthetic with robust heatsinks covering critical components, ensuring optimal thermal performance. Its ATX form factor fits standard cases, and the minimalist RGB lighting adds a subtle flair without overwhelming your build. Now, onto performance. This motherboard is built for overclocking enthusiasts. It features a 24-phase VRM design with 110A smart power stages, providing stable power delivery for Intel's latest Core Ultra processors. The inclusion of TLVR inductors enhances efficiency and ensures voltage stability during intense workloads, making it ideal for gaming and AI applications. Memory overclocking is impressive, supporting DDR5 speeds exceeding 9600 MTS. With its 2-DIMM architecture, the UNIFY-X is optimized for high-frequency memory kits, allowing you to extract maximum performance for your RAM. Storage won't be an issue here. The board offers 6 M2 slots, 2 supporting PCIe 5.0 for the fastest SSDs available, and 4 PCIe 4.0 slots. Additionally, 6 SATA 6GB per second ports provide ample options for your storage needs. Connectivity is top-notch. Equipped with Intel Killer 5G LAN and Wi-Fi 7, it ensures high-speed, stable internet connections whether you prefer wired or wireless networking. Bluetooth 5.4 support allows seamless connection to peripherals. USB options are plentiful, including multiple high-speed ports and dual Thunderbolt 4 ports, offering versatile connectivity for your devices. However, there are a couple of considerations. The board features only 2 DIMM slots, limiting maximum memory capacity compared to boards with 4 slots. Additionally, it lacks a 10GB LAN port, which might be a downside for users requiring ultra-high-speed wired networking. In terms of pricing, the UNIFY-X is positioned in the premium segment, with a price tag around $700. While it's a significant investment, the features and performance it offers make it a compelling choice for enthusiasts seeking top-tier capabilities. If you're interested in this motherboard, be sure to check out the links in the video description for the latest deals and availability. So what are the pros and cons of choosing this motherboard? Cons: limited to 2 DIMM slots, no 10GB LAN port. Pros: robust 24-phase VRM design, supports high-frequency DDR5 memory, multiple M2 slots including PCIe 5.0 support, advanced networking with Wi-Fi 7 and 5GB LAN, extensive USB connectivity including Thunderbolt 4. In summary, the MSI UNIFY-X is a formidable motherboard tailored for overclocking enthusiasts and high-end gamers. Its robust power delivery, high-speed memory support, and comprehensive connectivity options make it a standout choice for building a top-tier system. If you're ready to elevate your PC's performance, check out the offers linked in the video description. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech reviews.